Welcome to the Natural Neighborhood channel. Today, we are discussing Japanese blood grass. The plant native to Japan and Korea is scientifically known as Imparatta cylindrica, rubra. It grows to a height and width of 2 to 3 feet, thrives in full sun, and prefers well-drained soil. Use it as a border or accent plant to add depth and texture to your landscaping. If you're concerned about maintenance, don't fret. Japanese bloodgrass is fairly drought-tolerant once established, making it perfect for individuals seeking a low-maintenance addition to their garden. When caring for Japanese bloodgrass, it is important to ensure that it receives an adequate amount of sunlight. Water the plant regularly until it is established, divide clumps every few years to encourage healthy growth, and trim back old foliage in late winter or early spring. Japanese bloodgrass not only offers stunning aesthetics throughout the growing season but also puts on a lovely display in the fall when its leaves turn warm orange and bronze hues. Consider planting it along pathways, near ponds, or in rock gardens. That concludes today's feature on Japanese bloodgrass. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thank you for joining us.